Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use traffic info settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find here and select navigation. From the navigation, let's choose here settings. If you tap settings on your navigation, you can select here map settings. From the map settings, you can select traffic info settings, and you can use premium traffic right here if you enable this feature. And also you can use filtered traffic icons. Let's just tap it to, for example, see all the traffic information, stationary traffic, slow traffic, free, following traffic, etc, etc. Basically, you can choose whatever you want to use. This opens a submenu where you can toggle real traffic data. It allows the car to show red, yellow lights on the roads, indicate traffic jams, and can offer reroute to save your time. So in my case, I really like to have this premium traffic enabled, and you can use it in the best possible way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.